When you're talking to yourself and nobody's home, you can't fool yourself. You came in this world alone.
So nobody ever told you, baby, how it was gonna be. So what'll happen to you, baby? Guess we'll have to wait and see.
Well, I'm hard, but I'm only 28. I'm much too young to let love break my heart. Young and hard, but it's getting much too late to find ourselves so far apart.
I don't know how you're supposed to find it lately. And what more could you ask of me? How could you say that I never need you when you took everything? Said you took everything from me.
Young and hard, and it gets so hard to wait. No one I know can seem to help me now. Old and hard, but I mustn't hesitate if I'm to find my own way out. Still talking to myself when nobody's home alone.
So nobody ever told us, baby, how it was gonna be. So what'll happen to